Type hello into that box. It's a nice everyday word. Now hit that check palindrome button and boom, things get exciting. The screen fills with little blue boxes, each one holding a letter from your word. For hello, you see 5 boxes lined up. H-E-L-L-O. They're neat and tidy, like a row of buddies ready to show off. Here's where the fun kicks in. The demo doesn't just say yes or no, it shows you what's happening, step by step, with animations that grab your attention. Hey there, new programmers! Get ready for a fun ride because today we're diving into the awesome world of palindromes. Those cool words or numbers that read the same backward and forward, like radar or 12321. Sounds intriguing, right? But this isn't just some dull explanation where I ramble on. Nope. We've got a fantastic demo that's going to light up your screen with animations, colors, and a step-by-step show that's super easy to follow. Whether you're a total beginner who's never touched code or just someone who loves a good visual treat, this is for you. Imagine a web page that's like a playground for words. You type something, hit a button, and watch the magic unfold with glowing boxes and messages that pop up like surprises. It's not about being a tech wizard. It's about having fun and seeing how palindromes work in a way that sticks with you. This demo is your ticket to a front row seat, and I'm here to walk you through it like a friend showing off something cool. No complicated stuff, just pure, clickable joy. So let's fire up this palindrome checker and see what it can do. Trust me, you're going to love this. Okay, picture this. You're on a web page with Palindrome Checker written at the top in big, bold letters. It's clean and simple, like a blank canvas waiting for you to play. In the middle, there's a little box where you can type anything. A word, a number, whatever pops into your head. Next to it, a shiny blue button says, Check Palindrome. It's practically calling your name. Below that, there's a space where the action's going to happen. Think of it as a stage for your letters to perform on. Let's start with something familiar. Type hello into that box. It's a nice everyday word. Now hit that check palindrome button and boom, things get exciting. The screen fills with little blue boxes, each one holding a letter from your word. For hello, you see 5 boxes lined up. H-E-L-L-O. They're neat and tidy, like a row of buddies ready to show off. Here's where the fun kicks in. The demo doesn't just say yes or no, it shows you what's happening, step by step, with animations that grab your attention. 2 boxes light up in bright yellow, one from the left and one from the right. For hello, that's the H and the O. It's like they're saying, let's check if we match. A palindrome means the word has to be the same backward and forward, so the first letter should equal the last one. Is H the same as O? Nope. After a quick pause, just long enough for you to see, the yellow boxes turn red like a stop sign saying, no match here. Then a message pops up on the left. Hello is not a palindrome. Simple, clear, and done. Let's try something else to see the flip side. Clear the box and type radar. Hit that button again and watch the stage light up. R-A-D-A-R. The animation starts. The first R and the last R glow yellow. Are they the same? Yes, they turn green, like a high five. Next, the first A and the second A light up yellow, then green, another match. The D in the middle sits there alone, and the message says, radar is a palindrome. Green means go. It's a winner. Isn't that awesome? You're not just reading about it, you're watching it happen. The yellow shows what's being checked, green means a match, and red means no dice. It's like the demo is telling you a story with colors and motion, so you don't have to guess what's going on. Now check out the right side of the screen. There's a black box called the code console, showing the instructions, or code, behind the scenes. Don't worry if code sounds scary, it's optional. Think of it like a recipe card. When you hit the button, it highlights lines one by one. For radar, it starts with function is palindrome str, meaning let's check this word, then stir to lowercase. Lights up, making sure radar becomes radar. Lines like left equals 0 and right equals string length -1 show it starting at the ends. When it compares R and R, the if line glows. And since they match, it moves on. It's like a robot walking you through its steps, but you can ignore it and just enjoy the show if you want. Let's do one more. Type 12321, a number this time. Hit the button. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. First one and last one, yellow, then green. First two and second two, yellow, then green. The 3 is the middle and it's a palindrome. Numbers work just like words, and the demo handles them with the same flair. Why is this so easy to learn? Because it's visual. If I just said, a palindrome is the same backward and forward, you might forget it. But here, you see it. Yellow boxes check, green boxes cheer, red boxes warn. It's like a game. The stage area, called the check area, is where the magic happens. When you type race car, it stretches to fit 7 boxes. R, A, C, E, C, A, R. The animation checks each pair, turning them green, and you feel the satisfaction of a perfect match. The timing's spot on, too. It pauses between steps, like when R and R turn green, so you can follow without rushing. It's like a friend explaining it at your pace. And if you scroll down, there's an algorithm description saying, we compare characters from both ends moving inward. It's a simple note that ties it all together, plus some code if you're curious. Try level, L, E, V, E, L, all green, palindrome. Try dog, D, O, G. Red, not a palindrome. Every click is a new adventure, and the animations keep it fresh. For a beginner, this is perfect. You're learning to think like a programmer without even realizing it, breaking a big question into tiny, colorful steps. So, how cool was that? This palindrome checker isn't just a tool, it's a blast. You've got glowing boxes, matching letters, and a peek at code that's like a secret recipe. Whether you tested radar, 12321, or something wild, you saw palindromes come alive. The best part? You don't need to be a coding pro. The colors and animations do the work, making it fun and easy. But if you're curious, the code's there hinting, you could try this too. It's a little spark for your next step, so keep playing. Try noon, 121, or your name. Every green glow is a win, and every red box is a lesson. You're already rocking it, so go have fun and see you next time. If you like this content, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will make more content like this. See you in the next video.